Hello and welcome to PH Maths. Today's explainer is converting recurring decimals to fractions, because every recurring decimal is just a fraction in disguise. By the end of this video, you'll know the multiply then subtract trick that converts any recurring decimal into its exact fractional form. Definition: let x equal your recurring decimal, multiplied by 10 to the power n, where n is the length of the repeating block. Subtract the original x, and the recurring tail cancels. Solve for x. The result is your fraction. One method applies to every recurring decimal you'll meet. Key insight: the multiplier must match the repeat length. 0.6 recurring, repeat of 1 digit, you multiply by 10. 0.45 recurring, a repeat of 2 digits, you multiply by 100. 0.123 recurring, repeat of 3 digits, multiplied by 1,000. The subtraction cancels the infinite tail, leaving a finite number you can divide cleanly. Common slip: don't approximate. 0.333 recurring is exactly 1/3, not approximately, not roughly, but exactly. The whole point of this method is to get the exact fraction and not a decimal approximation, and always match the power of 10 to the repeat length. Off by 1 and the method falls apart.